When two aircraft are converging head-on, what are they both supposed to do? A, both turn towards their right. B, both turn towards their left. Or C, both turn towards the south. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And have you had somebody fly at you head on where you had to have this, you had to react and do this? I saw some videos not too long ago about how there's some student pilots that had some close calls, and I unfortunately have not had those, which is great. That would scare the hell out of me. So if you said the answer is A, both turn towards their right, you'd be correct. When pilots are converging head-on with another aircraft, they are instructed to both turn towards their right.